It's a very fast-paced city. It's a city that if you want to work, if you want to thrive, if you want to pursue opportunities, I think that's what's available here in Dubai. Hey guys, so I'm on my way back from Dubai to Manila. It's been a very fruitful trip meeting the Filipino community and teaching them about investing and about the stock market. But in the same way also, I heavily enjoyed also meeting the crypto community here in Dubai, having the chance also to be able to attend and also speak in World Blockchain Summit. But also above and beyond that, meet other crypto investors that are based here in Dubai. Dubai has become a hub for innovation, hub for finance, hub for digital assets, and hub for cryptocurrencies in general. Since I've been out pretty much since January from Barcelona to Lisbon to Dubai, I just want to share things that I've seen and observed and things that I've learned over the past few months that shaped me also as a person, as an investor, as an entrepreneur. Do remember this, that traveling is such an amazing feeling because you get to not only see the world, but you get to learn above and beyond what you could get from books, above and beyond what you could get from the four walls of a classroom, and above and beyond what you could read. Because seeing how people live and how they go about their business and their work is somewhat very interesting. What's so fascinating about Dubai is I think it's very safe. You could literally leave your phone at the table in the food court. When you come back, it will be there. And I think that's a hallmark also of an economy and a country that's progressing. When it's safe, it allows people to become more liberal in the way that they would conduct their business and live their lives, because it attracts more foreign investors and business people to set up shop in places where they know it's safe. It gives them a sense also that it's easier also for them to be able to build, because we see a lot of people building in that particular place, and that's what makes it very interesting. As an investor also, businesses will normally go to countries where they see it safe, they see it secure, and they see a lot of certainty in terms also of policy. That could be also your style. Especially, I know a lot of you guys who are following me are investing in different markets. The more security that you get in terms of how things will be over the long term, I think would be very, very good from an investment perspective. What makes the US markets, the bond market, very interesting right now? Interest rates are high, but bonds in the US are considered to be risk-free, and the rating is massively high that when people put their money in US bonds, people can be secure that their money is safe, that it has a full might of the US government paying them back. Bonds normally are not just low risk, but they're also low reward. But if you have the chance to get something that's low risk in a very, very secure and safe country like the US, getting 5% is something that's interesting. And I think that's where the dilemma is also with a lot of investors right now in banks or depositors in banks. Because if you leave your money in the bank and then there's not a lot of liquidity, then why are you getting a low rate of return? And that's why bond investing becomes interesting. And here in Dubai, there's so much talk right now on decentralization. While we're doing this, we've seen Bitcoin go up from 16,000 all the way up to 28,000. It goes to show the merit that's there in terms of decentralization. People want to self-custody their own assets. People want something that's detached from the banking system, that if something happens, their assets are secure. You'll see that as a theme all over the world, especially when you travel. You will see people trusting institutions less in a way that they would want to self-custody what they have. We don't want banks to collapse. We don't want financial institutions to collapse. There are people who have their savings there, companies who have their payrolls in banks. Of course, will get hit, and we don't want that to happen. But should we see more of that in a global scale, then that's more bullish for Bitcoin. That's more bullish for assets that allow you also to self-custody or what you have. Now, that being said also, what's interesting about Dubai is it's a very fast-paced city. It's a city that if you want to work, if you want to thrive, if you want to pursue opportunities, I think that's what's available here in Dubai. The opportunity is there, and the efficiency is also there. The support of the government also to make business easy and fast is there as well. If you're the type of person who wants to build something from a business or investment perspective, that's what you can expect here in Dubai. The ability to be able to build something, the ability to be able to invest also and start a business. And do note this, that they're adding more taxes though, but taxes here compared to other parts in the world is relatively nicer, easier, and friendly. Especially if you're watching this and you're from the US, taxes in the US are very heavy, they're very burdensome, and they don't favor the common person. And what's interesting also is that's why I've been seeing a lot of people from the UK and other parts of the world where their lives are comfortable, they have savings, they have investments, they have thriving businesses, but they're moving here primarily because of how they've set up Dubai. It's being a technology and infrastructure hub as well. There are places where you could thrive as a business person. There are places that you could thrive as an investor. There are places where you could be the best of what you were meant to be also. And Dubai is part and parcel of it. Whatever dream that you have, no matter what it is, pursue it. Pursue those God-given dreams that's in your heart. Work with people that's aligned with your values. And go to places where you can thrive as a person, as an entrepreneur, and as an investor. We're about to board, and I want to be first to the gate as well. And I hope that this was something that was very insightful for all of you. I hope that this was something also that gave you value and helped you. This is Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you. Trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, and God bless you all.